Now here we are with the sixth question of page number 42, sixth exercise. The question is, look at the picture and write suitable degrees of adjective in the blanks. Now, degrees of adjective. Degrees of adjective consist of 3 degrees, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. In the positive degree, you get the word. You have to make comparative degree, and when you are making the comparative degree means you are comparing two things. Two things are compared in the comparative degree section. When we compare two things, we have to add er with the positive word given there, and a word than is also there in a comparative degree because two things are compared. Sometimes word remains same and more is added with that word to show the comparative degree. More or er is added with the positive word, and than is used in a comparative degree. And when we talk about the superlative degree, we take one from a group of things, or one from so many things, or one from all. And how it is denoted? We add est with the word or the word most. Most is added with a superlative degree. est or most, most. So in this way, comparative degree and superlative degrees of the words are formed. Let us see the exercise. First one. The first bundle is thick. What is the positive word given over there? Thick. We have to change thick into comparative degree and superlative degree. Now see the second sentence. The second bundle is dash than the first. So thick will become thicker. Er is added to thick. Now see the next sentence. We have to put the superlative degree of the word thick. The third bundle is the thickest. We are taking one from all. So the answer will be thickest. Now the next one. John is fat. Now the next sentence. Rohan is dash than John. Here it is a comparison between Rohan and John. So which degree we have to use? Comparative degree. Than word is also given here. So what is the answer for this? Rohan is fatter than John. Answer is fatter. Next one. Monu is the dash of the three. Here we have to make the superlative degree. That means from three of them we have to take only one. So how it will come? Monu is the fattest of the three. Answer is fattest. Now the next one. Ravi is young. Anil is younger than Ravi. Next one. Deepak is the dash of the three. Answer will be youngest of the three. So in this way we have to write the answers. Now the next exercise, seventh question. You have read the word fisherman in the lesson. Can you write some words ending with man? It's a very easy exercise. Come on, write down the answers. Answers are watchman, salesman, postman, milkman and washerman. Now we will do the next exercise, that is eighth question. Read the following extract and answer the questions that follow. What is the extract? And see that the lashes are quite soft and gentle. Now see the questions related to this line. Who says this and to whom? Yes. Who said this? The king says this to his personal attendant. Next question. Does anybody get hard lashes? Who is that person? Yes, the gatekeeper gets the hard lashes. Now the last question. Is the fisherman wise? Yes, the fisherman is wise. So the answers are: the king says this to his personal attendant. Next one, yes, the gatekeeper gets the hard lashes. Last answer, yes, the fisherman is wise. Now the next question, ninth one, rearrange the word in alphabetical order with the help of the dictionary. I hope that you all are having a dictionary. Alphabetical order is an order in which the words are arranged according to the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, all the order, according to the order of the letters in the alphabet. So let us see this. First one, words are given, some words are given, we have to write which word will come first and then thereafter. The first one, ark, allow, after, again, attendant, answer. So which word will come first? After, then again, allow, answer, ark, and last, attendant. Next one, day, dare, demand, delight, decide, danger. And the answer is danger, dare, day, decide, delight, demand. Last one, save, share, start, search, steward, surprise. Answer, save, search, share, start, steward, surprise. So write down these answers. Now see the next last question, 10th one. Do you remember when you attended a feast last time? Write a few lines here. Now feast means a grand meal in a party. Okay. So this question you have to write by your own. When you have attended a feast last time, what you have eaten over there, how you enjoyed the party, all these things write in few lines in the textbook itself. If you got any doubt regarding any of the exercise, you may ask. And till the next video, take care, be safe and stay blessed. Thank you.